Cane's chicken today. Let's see what we got. I got the box combo with 3 chicken strips, sauce, coleslaw, big Texas toast, and some fries. Let's dig in. Oh. I have never had Cane's chicken. I hear mixed reviews about it. Ooh, this is hot too. First bite for you. Chicken. You know what? Let's get into the sauce. Ooh, this is so hot. Mmm. That sauce, it does it. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Let's get into this coleslaw. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I could have used mine just a tad sweeter, but still good. Very fresh. Mmm. A little hot sauce. Oh, I like that. The mix of the sauce, hot sauce with this some type of, I don't know, is this considered like a Cajun seasoning? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, that's good. You know, I got some fries, y'all. Mm-hmm. Not bad. I say, I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Definitely have to have it with the specialty sauce. Makes it a solid 8 for me. And the toast. Mm-hmm. Not bad. Mm. Not too sweet. It's like a nice little balance. Not bad.